Time to get this place ready for a monster make! Hey! Whoa! Ha-ha! Yeah! Whoa! Hey, look! A monster make idea!
It's a muffin case house.
Yes, we can make a muffin case house with the muffin case for the fluffy fairy to live in.
Brilliant idea, Murphy.
Let's get monster making! Hi!
So for this monster make, we'll need a muffin case, a small round tub, coloured paper, a paper straw, fluffy cotton wool, stickers and paint.
What would you like to do first?
Let's paint the pot.
Monster painty! Boom, 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 boom! Hey, 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 hey!
Yay! One lovely pink pot.
Whilst it dries, let's make the windows and a door for the fairy to fly in through.
Good idea. We can draw the window and door shapes on paper.
It's monster cutting time!
Yup, work your magic, Murphy. Brilliant. Make sure you ask a grown-up for help when using scissors.
Let's make the chimney.
We just need to carefully cut a small piece of paper straw, like this. You know what that sound means?
It's time for the Fabulous Fluffs!
Sticky, sticky, glue, glue, this is what we do. Sticky, sticky, glue, glue, now it's up to you. Sticky, sticky, glue, glue.
Woohoo! I love that song! It makes me want to glue!
Me too!
Sticky, 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 glue, glue, glue! We'll glue the door and the windows on. And the muffin case for the roof. Don't forget the chimney too.
And some cotton wool smoke.
Let me think. What's missing? Oh, it could do with some...
Stickers!
Yay! Sticky, sticky stickers!
And if you don't have stickers, you can draw on some details.
Sticky, sticky, glue, glue.
One muffin case house. What do you think, Murphy?
It's Monster Marvelous! Achoo!
I don't think you fixed it, Murphy. I think you turned it into a wind machine.
Hang on! Oops. But wait. All this wind and your straw. I feel a monster make coming on. Monster making is my absolute most favourite thing ever. And this makes me feel like doing a mega monster make!
Let's see what's on the
Recycling
Express. Ooh, I can't wait.
Me too! What can it be?
More paper straws.
That has given me a mega monster idea! Straws are awesome! It's time to make a straw sailboat.
As well as these paper straws, we'll need a cardboard box, coloured card, paper, and old bottle lids.
Let's start by making some holes.
Use a pencil to carefully make 2 holes in the box, like this.
You'll need modelling clay to make the next holes.
Put this under the scrap of paper and use your pencil to carefully poke holes at each end of the piece of paper.
Hey, 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 hey!
We will use these later.
Now we can make the sides of the boat.
We'll need a long strip of card like this.
Foldy, foldy, fold.
Yep, fold it in half.
Now draw a happy smile. Time for some monster cutting.
Remember, ask a grown-up to help you when using scissors. Now unfold the card and stick it to the box that we made holes in earlier.
One box ready for our boat.
Make sure the holes are on top.
Ooh, it's starting to look like a boat now.
Almost, but it needs some decoration.
Ooh, I think we need a little help. Ooh. Ooh.
It's the tiny helpers.
Oh!
They've decorated the sides with colourful paper and bottle lids and painted the top of the box. Thanks, tiny helpers.
Thank you. Bye.
Now all we need to do is make the sails. Slide the straws through the holes in the paper that we made earlier.
Slidey, slidey, slidey.
Push them into the box and ta-da! Our boat has got sails. One straw sailboat all finished. And you can make one too.
Looking ship shape. It's about to head off on a terrific travelling adventure. Ooh, room for a little one. We need some wind, please, Rebecca.
Hold on tight. There's a storm coming. Oops, maybe a bit too much.
That has given me a mega monster idea. Small bottles are brilliant. You can juggle them, knock them down like bowling pins, or even use them as a whooshy rocket. 3, 2, 1, blast off! This bottle is going to help us make a snack tube train. Toot toot!
As well as this small bottle, we'll need an empty snack tube, recycle boxes, card, and paint.
Let's get this make on track.
First, we need to arrange all the bits of recycling to make the train's engine. Put the snack tube long ways and put the bottle on top. This will be the train's funnel, where the smoke comes out of.
Toot toot!
Now I'm putting a thin box and a long box under the tube for the bottom of the train and a square box at the end.
Now that is looking like a train.
Let's stick it all together.
Oh, is it time to paint?
Let's do it. We're painting our train with red and blue paint, with some yellow details.
Hey, 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 hey!
But you can paint it any colour.
Oh, painty, painty!
While this is drying, we're going to need to make some wheels. Take the card and draw around the bottom of a paper cup to make 8 circles.
Time for some monster cutting with Monster Magic.
Thanks, Murphy. And remember, always ask a grown-up for help when using scissors. Let's glue on the train's wheels.
Sticky, sticky.
Space the wheels out evenly, like this. Our snack tube train is almost finished. It just needs some final details.
Ooh, I think we need a little help. Ooh. Ooh.
It's the tiny helpers. They've added the wheel details and a door. Thanks, tiny helpers.
Thank you. Bye.
One tube train ready to roll. And you can make one too. All aboard!
Choo-choo. Our choo-choo tube train is monster-tastic.